If you are watching this video, you probably need coffee now. You're about to learn how to use caffeine to refill recycled caps. To start the machine, press the left button. White for a short espresso, yellow for a double shot, and blue for filter coffee. Did you know that true love is sharing your last sip of coffee? Here is where the magic begins. Used coffee with soap will remove any remaining of paint from your hands. 100% success guaranteed. By the way, you can download the STL files of caffeine and 3D print it yourself. Link in the description. One of the empty capsules will be used permanently as a measuring cup. To assemble a new coffee capsule, place an empty one in the base. Place the bottom filter. Place the funnel on top. Fill the capsule with fresh coffee. And press it tight with the compressor. Remove the funnel and place the top filter. It's as easy as that. Now, let's make more coffee. Remember, coffee is the most important meal of the day. To reassemble the filling kit, place the compressor in the base, slide the measure cup, and then slide onto the funnel. Coffee doesn't judge you, coffee loves you.